so much to discover. I can't help but feeling our love taking over. Our hearts getting closer and closer. I can't get enough of times of getting lost with you. Getting lost with you. One step more and now we're far from everything we had. Ready for whatever's lying up ahead. We won't stop moving, feels too good for that. So good. Feeling our love taking over. Our hearts getting closer and closer. I can't get enough of times of getting lost with you. Getting lost with you. I promise to be there in every single way. We're doing this together every step we take. Closer to each other, so much to discover. Getting lost with you. Getting lost with you.
you get to me once now, baby, but I'll never let you in again. I'll let you get to me once now, baby, but I'll never let you in again. I'll let you get to me, I'll let you get to me, get to me. I'll let you get to me, I'll let you get to me, get to me. I'll let you get to me, I'll let you get to me, get to me. I'll let you get to me, I'll let you get to me, get to me.
Alright y'all, so I am done with the final look. So this is the look right here, and I really like the way it turned out. Y'all, this palette is bomb. I cannot wait to try out the other one. Y'all needs to go get this, order it online. I will leave a link down below so you guys can check it out. Go ahead and check out your beauty supply store. You guys, this palette is bomb. It blends like a dream. Like, it blends very, very well. This is only $3. It blends so good. It's so pigmented. I just can't believe that this palette delivered this look. And this look is so simple. I used about, I think, 5 shades. I love the way this look turned out. Yeah, these lashes, by Kiss. The lashes are 3D. This is the 3D collection 122. And they just really bring out this look. I will leave everything I use listed in the description box. This look bomb. Like, red looks so good on me. And as you guys can see, I already did my hair, so I'm sorry. I should have did a tutorial, but I was trying to try out the new method, but I will do one next time. But yeah, this is how the hair turned out. Yeah, it's really, really long. I really like this palette. It's no complaints, like perfect palette. So yeah, tell me what you all think, how y'all like it. Girl, I really like this look.